Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to redeem My Ether wallet code. So let's get started right away. First of all, open the My Ether wallet application from your app drawer. Also make sure to log into your wallet by entering your code. Once you're signed in, you will be able to see an option that says redeem your friend's code at the top of the screen. Tap on it and then enter the promo code that your friend shared with you in the text box and then tap on redeem. After you redeem a promo code, both you and your friend will receive 100 energy in their wallet. So that is how you can easily redeem code on My Ether wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.